I never won when the wrong man was attacked. Have you ever wondered how quickly an ordinary day can become someone else's nightmare? You're not looking for trouble. You're not part of a feud. You're not involved in crime. You're simply in the wrong place at the wrong time. And at first, nothing feels unusual. People move around you, cars pass, conversations drift through the air. Life appears completely ordinary. Then somebody sees you. Not really you. Someone they believe you are. A face, a jacket, a vehicle, a mistaken assumption. Within seconds, suspicion becomes certainty, and certainty becomes violence. The first blow arrives before you understand what's going on. The accusations make no sense. The anger belongs to a story you know nothing about. Names are shouted, threats are made. You try to explain, nobody's listening. Because once human beings become convinced they are right, evidence often arrives too late. The attack ends. The confusion does not. Police ask questions. Witnesses provide statements. Investigations begin. And eventually the truth emerges. They had the wrong person, the wrong face, the wrong target, the wrong life. Yet truth does not automatically reverse devastation. Bruises heal. Fear often remains. You start noticing exits. You watch strangers more carefully. You become aware of danger in places that once felt normal. The body remembers what the mind wishes to forget. Friends tell you to move on. Family tells you it's over. But your nervous system never received that message. The event lasted minutes. The consequences settled into months, perhaps years. A deeper question eventually appears. How can innocent people suffer for something they never did? Human history is filled with mistaken judgments, false accusations, assumptions treated as facts, rumors accepted as truth, lives damaged by conclusions that should never have been reached. And the physical assault was only one wound. The greater wound was discovering how fragile justice can be when anger arrives before truth. You did nothing to earn what happened. You did nothing to deserve the violence. Yet you still carried the consequences. And that's where many people discover one of life's hardest realities. Being innocent does not always protect you from suffering. Being right does not always prevent damage. Sometimes devastation arrives carrying somebody else's mistake. And as you look at the scars left behind, one thought refuses to disappear. You were never part of their story, yet somehow the consequences became part of yours. And that was the day you quietly said to yourself, I never won.